Here's interesting app called Journal by Labs. It's quite a cool, trendy app. As you can see, it starts to climb high in the charts. I used Labs app, which was viral, like I think more than a year ago. And the idea is that this is basically like retro camera app for your friends. This app is also a social media, and the idea of it is that you take some photos. They look like retro photos, and then basically they are not. You don't know how they will look like. You need to wait some time, and they are released after some time, and then they look like all these old Polaroid photos. Then you can share on your feed. You can invite friends, and then it's basically like Instagram for all these disposable camera photos. Snaps are a mystery until they develop a random later that day. Share your snaps to your friends' feed and see the week unfold. Your monthly photo dump is automatically created on your profile. Curate your favorite snaps into albums. This is how it looks like. So let's just open it up. So here, as you can see, this is basically the camera. You can just take a photo, just like laying on the sofa. You can change the zoom from 0.5 to 1 to 3x. And then what else you can do? Then basically you need to hold to view snaps, but only after some time. Hold the orange button to reveal your snaps. So then you just need to hold it to reveal your snaps. And then this is basically how it looks like. Swipe right to share, swipe left to archive. This is just like my table. This is how it looks like. You see it has this like Photoshop, like I don't know, like old effects, and then you can see all your photos for the months. You can see that's how it looks like. Then you just can see friends. You can see some featured photos here as well, basically how they look like, and some photos from some people who have some nice view. Like you can see some really cool shots here. Some of them are like featured. And then you can see some likes. Things here. So this is how it looks like. You can just send a like. You can see that it's featured. You can then go, and if you want, you can report it. Then you can go to that profile. You can see, follow, add as a friend. You can message. You can block or report. You can see how many friends. As you can see, there aren't like millions of users yet on this app. There are like 300 likes, 20 friends and stuff like that. So you need to sign up to this app and you need to invite at least 5 friends, and then you will get access. You don't need invite code, anything, but this is how it looks like. And then this is basically this Instagram view for these old school photos. Then you can also see some photos from your friends. You can also see your inbox. You can also try to add friends, so invite your friends through other apps. So then their friends can scan you to quick add. And I think actually right now it's a good time to use this app to reserve your username. So I managed to reserve like my first name username, so it's pretty cool. So try that. Then you also have journals. This is basically, this is your profile. You can add your bio here. You can edit your details. So you see your display name, your bio. You have 100 characters. You can add your profile picture. You can add some albums. Add your selects in the top. So this is basically like your overview profile. In the bottom right, you can also add music. Then you can also add like phone number. If you're not happy, you can just tap delete account in the very bottom, as you can see here, where you can just tap delete account. Then you can report bugs. You can reach out to their support from here. As you see, submit idea. So that's basically how it looks like. And yeah, what else? Like, so then yeah, you just have like your photos. You can take them. I don't know if you can take videos. No, seems you can't. So yeah, just add some friends, and then it's cool to use this app, at like parties or something, and it's really nice with this effect to see photos a bit later. Because for example, imagine you're at a party, you took some photos, and you don't know even how they look like, and after a few hours or something, they're just being revealed, and they have this like old school Polaroid effect, which is also pretty interesting. And then and then you also have this social kind of Instagram vibe. So that's basically the idea. Also, if you're just interested in taking old school photos without this social media Instagram element, there is cool app called Dashcam where you can take vintage photos. So this is also another app where you just can take all this like Polaroid like photos. It's getting a lot of traction recently. It's also in the top charts. So also you see journal app in the top charts, and yeah, this one Dashcam is also there as well. So yeah, maybe it's a bit lower, but anyhow, um, so yeah, that's the app, and thanks for watching.